Hey gang, welcome back to another video at Joe Daddy's Workshop. I had a little bit of time to kill, so I decided I'm going to make a little stand for this Redcat Generation 8 International Scout. You know, if these things sit, the tires compress and get flat spots on them, so I didn't want that to happen, and I decided, well, you know what, I'm going to make something. So I'm going to take some scrap metal and turn it into a little stand, so check it out. Okay, so that was pretty basic. You know, just an old piece of tubing that I had laying around, a little standoff from some scrap that I had laying around. You know, I just wanted to make something. And as you can see, this thing is now suspended. Tires are off the ground or off the table, whatever. And I don't have to worry about getting flat spots on these nice tires anymore. So, hope that was helpful. Hope that was useful. You know, it's not always about making the perfect thing or buying everything. Sometimes you just have some time and scraps, make your own. Why not? So, anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, all that cool stuff. And until next time, take care of yourselves. Well, that was a little bit different. You know, sometimes you just want to build something. Well, sometimes you just want to build something. Now, I've had this well, that was a little bit different, I know. But, as I said on this channel, now as I've said, I'm going to make different things on this video. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a little stand for this Redcat 8. No. Stay tuned.